Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to factory reset the Roborock Qrevo Slim. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So on the top of the unit, we have a magnetic cover that's removable. There's a little reset icon there on this rubber silicone lid that we can pop out to reveal a micro USB port. I'm assuming that's for Roborock's own troubleshooting and support. And we have a reset button down in there. Grab a paper clip, maybe even a pen or a pencil, depending on how sharp the tip is. And we need to press that button while we're holding down the home button. So I'm going to hold down the home button first, then press the reset button. I'm holding both of them down for a minute. Then we can let go of the reset button. We're going to continue to hold down the home button. We'll hear a voice prompt eventually. There's a blinking light.
Restoring factory settings.
Now we can let go.
5 minutes.
It just said restoring factory settings. It'll take about 5 minutes. That's it. You have now successfully done your factory reset. In summary, hold down the home button for a second before you press down on the reset button. Keep both pressed together just for a second. Then you can let go of the reset button, continuing to hold down the home button until you hear that voice prompt. Then you're free to let go. Give it 5 minutes and everything will be factory reset. It's that simple and straightforward.